Are you tired of seeing your savings just sit in a bank account while inflation eats away its value? Want to grow your money without being glued to stock charts all day? Well, you're about to discover the simplest, safest, and smartest way to build long-term wealth. And that's through index funds. If you're a beginner, don't worry. No Wall Street jargon, just clear advice. So grab a pen, or just hit that save button. Let's dive into the best index funds for you. First, what is an index fund? Think of it like a basket holding a lot of top-performing stocks, hundreds or even thousands. So instead of trying to pick individual winners like Apple or Amazon, you own a piece of the entire market. That means less risk, fewer fees, and historically great returns. They're passive, meaning they track the market. No expensive managers, no constant trading. That also means lower fees and better average performance over time. Now let's get to the real gold, the best index funds for beginners in the United States. This fund tracks the S&P 500, the top 500 biggest companies in America. Think Apple, Google, Microsoft, Tesla. Over the last few decades, the S&P 500 has averaged around 10% annual returns. VOO is known for its super low fee, just 0.03%, and it's a set-it-and-forget-it option. Want even more diversification? SCHB holds over 2,500 US companies, from small startups to giants like Amazon. It gives you access to the entire US stock market in one fund, and its fee is also incredibly low, just 0.03%. Perfect if you want more than just the S&P 500. This one's for the fee hunters. FZRX has a 0% expense ratio. Yes, zero. It covers the total US stock market and is ideal for beginners starting with Fidelity. Just note, it's only available within Fidelity accounts. Time in the market always beats timing the market. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to compound interest. Even if you start with just $50 or $100 a month, it adds up fast. So if you're looking for a stress-free, low-cost, and powerful way to build wealth, index funds are your best friend. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more no-nonsense money tips. Drop a comment. Which index fund are you investing in first? And remember, you don't need to be rich to get started, but you do need to get started to become rich.